Known for its unwavering and uncompromising commitment towards excellence and with its extraordinary exotic cars built since more than a century, Bugatti unveiled its first residence in Dubai that has an outstanding look. Bugatti wanted to reflect its design DNA in the building and the contours, the lines, and in the organic forms of the skyscraper. The design of Bugatti Residences reflects the iconic brand elements and luxury design innovations of Bugatti, merging these values cohesively with expertise of its partner, Binghatti Developments, to create a phenomenal architectural masterpiece. Binghatti Development is a successful real estate developer in Dubai, but its most famous development is the Burj Binghatti Jacob & Co. Residences. It's a skyscraper that is supposed to be world's tallest residential tower with its 100 stories and its height of 600 meters. The Burj Binghatti Jacob & Co. Residences promise a lot of luxury and beauty. With such a partner, the Bugatti residence can only be wonderful. For those who want to know more about Bugatti, Bugatti is a luxury sport cars maker with very expensive cars. For example, the 2024 Bugatti Mistral has a starting price of $5 million. Its Bugatti Chiron model, that is one of the fastest supercars in the world, has a starting price of $2.9 million. But its most expensive to date is the Bugatti La Voiture Noire that cost a staggering $16.5 million. However, the French manufacturer only built one model. The ultra-luxury and beautiful Bugatti Residences will feature a collection of 171 Riviera Mansions and 11 Sky Mansion Penthouses, each of them being absolutely unique with bespoke curated layouts. The first Bugatti residence is also designed with peerless luxurious amenities, including a Riviera-inspired beach, private pool, jacuzzi spa, fitness club, chef's table, private valet, private members club and 2 garage-to-penthouse car lifts. That's mean that you can watch your own exotic car since your own living room. The penthouses will be served by a pair of garage-to-penthouse car lifts, which will allow the owners to drive their vehicles directly into these apartments. The Porsche-designed Skyscraper, in Miami, have a car lift that allows residents to drive vehicles directly into apartments on all levels. Unmatched craftsmanship and exquisite finishes that set a new standard for opulence will be at the heart of the living spaces curated for Bugatti Residences, ensuring that the art of living is reimagined for a contemporary defining era. Both penthouses and mansions offer spacious living areas adorned with the finest material selection the world has to offer. The Bugatti Residences carry a seamless blend of comfort, functionality and elegance that reflect Bugatti and Binghatti's preeminence in design. Set to be built in the Business Bay Area of Dubai, the 42-story skyscraper will have a sinuous form wrapped in balconies on every level. According to the Bugatti, the aesthetic of the French Riviera will be incorporated throughout the design. In the same way that Bugatti has translated the beauty and sophistication of French luxury into the design of its hyper-sports cars, Bugatti Residences brings the breeze and feel of the French Riviera into this private oasis. The superlative complex will house apartment from 2 to 4 bedroom configurations of 1,750 square feet to 14,881 square feet. With this aerial view, you can see that the skyscraper will be topped with a series of pools. The starting acquisition price for a super-exclusive Riviera mansion in Bugatti Residences by Binghatti is $5.2 million. A Sky Mansion Penthouse can be acquired for a minimum $35.4 million. Without a surprise, to have the chance to buy a beautiful penthouse in this amazing building, you need to be an ultra-rich person. The Bugatti residence is not the only luxury skyscraper that will be built in Dubai. Among some of its competitors, there's the Dubai Bay by Damic. It will have also a breathtaking architecture. The Seal Tower, that is expected to be the world's tallest hotel in 2024 with its 75-story and its height of 360.4 meters. Or the Safa 2, a luxury skyscraper that will have a suspended infinity pool with the shape of a ruby. Its architecture itself is also inspired by a ruby. One of the floors will have exhibition space for special cars of people living there, too. The project is scheduled to be completed within 3.5 years or in 2027. Thanks for watching. Please tell if that you was charmed by the beauty of the building. Don't forget to like and to subscribe for more videos like this one.